Calling the family, letting them know we were tucked up under this tree right here. We started cow calling him at first, and he came to 71 yards up in there. That was my video before. Wouldn't give us a shot, and he turned and went back out, and Bryton wanted to stalk in on him. I said, no, our best option to kill this bull is to get him to come back in. So I snuck back up here about, I don't know, 40 to 60 yards back behind Bryton. Bryton stayed in the tree, started cow chirping again, and he tried to circle. I think he was trying to get downwind, and then came back up. Gave Bryton a 54-yard shot right up here. He just walked up, and it's covered in blood, so. There's the arrow. Busted off.
Busted clean off, man.
The other half's probably still in him. Well, it is 12:05. Bryton and I making our first load out with the hindquarters and a couple scrap meats in the headlamps. And then we'll be back in hopefully in a couple hours to get the rest of it. Well, it is, let's see, 1:13, and we got the rest of the elk, the front quarters, and Bryton's got the head. We already got the tent packed up, so we just need to throw out the bike and get out of here. We're almost back to the bikes. Well, bike, I guess. Went in light, packing out heavy.